Morphe palette 25A Copper Spice. Now I'm going in with a super deep chocolate. Now notice I'm applying it to the middle first, and then I'm spreading, so it can be nice and pretty and even. And now, just like the other side, you want to get it as deep as possible. This part's always difficult for a lot of people, and I've been practicing on mine for years. So basically, cut crease, make it as sharp as possible. Make the tip of it pointy as possible, so it can be pointed and you can cut it even better. Alright, cut crease is done. All I'm doing is just patting it down a little bit so it won't be all sticky and nasty. So we can move on to the color, because it's supposed to be a rose gold smoky eye. And the person that wanted me to do it wanted a cut crease rose gold smoky eye, so I was like, okay. Okay, now for the gold, I like to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's very pretty, it has a very beautiful rose gold. I'm going to combine gold from the Morphe palette from the Jaclyn Hill palette and combine it together. The rose gold from the Jaclyn Hill palette is going to go in the inner eye. The outer eye is going to be a lighter gold from the Morphe palette. So I'm at my last stage, well, second to last stage. I'm going to apply the lighter color first, and it's strictly because it'll blend a lot better for me. I don't know how everybody else does it, but it's me. So I apply the lighter gold at the top near the crease line. Just to give it some pizzazz. And I don't really press down, I'll kind of pat it a little bit so the color can like really. Okay, so this is the top, and this is before I do the second color, before I blend it all together. Delicately, don't rub your face super hard or you're gonna lose the effect. Now we are going to take the second color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. See how pretty that is. We're We're going to take the second color from the Jaclyn Hill palette and start to blend it together. It's very, very, very pigmented, so you're not going to do too much. I'm not using too much of it because I still have to add a little bit more of the black to blend it, all of it together. And yes, I am using the Vice Urban Decay palette because I love the mirror on this thing. I love it, love it, love it. And now I'm adding the black as the final, just to, you know, blend it somewhat together and give it some dimension. I don't go all the way across, but I like to do this last because it makes it look so much better. It's like so much better. You can kind of carry it over just a tad, see how it works out, and how it looks so pretty. So pretty. Second to last final step, obviously kind of, you know, smoking it out right here in the creases of your eyes, and, you know, giving it that little smoky little look. I like to use the crayon because it is a lot better. It's a lot easier to use. Some people like nail liner, some don't. But I'm only putting a little bit because I want to smoke it out and then put it, you know, put a little bit of powder on it too. Now it's time for lashes and then skin. Alright, now, some people have the most difficulty with putting on their lashes, but a great tip that I've loved over the years was I use tweezers. Some people are like, no, I want to poke myself in the eye, but I never do. But everybody isn't the same. But it's always helped me. As long as you don't go too close to the actual line, you should be like great. So let's try this. And please guys, when you're doing your lashes, please wait like a second or two and kind of blow on it a little bit so your lash glue can actually dry halfway, you know, partially, so it'll stick and it won't be like moving around when you're moving the other spots and everything, because that would really be a pain. They are set. Now for the under eye. Now for the under eye. I don't do super heavy. I do it to the point where it's very, very pretty. Now, I'm gonna make your eyes pop.
get a feeling, I live it. You want your way, you can't fuck it up, you lose self-control. Weed it out and come get your girl, oh yeah, yeah. Call me my long, long lost companion. Prove that my love is sometimes crazy. Hold my hand, hold on closer, hold on closer. Feel it, I know, I know, I know. How deep is your love for me, baby? Does it make your ass a donor? How deep is your love for me, baby? Phone. Where the hell my phone, huh? How I'm supposed to get home? Okay. Ooh, unlock that, all up in my contacts. 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 Oh my God. Yeah, and I seen that boy looked at me, but I got annoyed. Cause he bought me a drink for $1. Boy came over here and he wanted to holler. Yep. Boy came over here and he wanted to holler. Yep. Boy came over here and he wanted to holler. Yep. My song came on, so I hit the dance floor. Man, I lost my phone. Walking home with my feet on sore. Walking home with my feet on sore. What the hell these Louboutins for? What the hell these Louboutins for? Walking home in this damn near foe. Walking home in this damn near foe. What the hell these Louboutins for? I don't know where I'm going. Where the hell my phone? Hey. Where the hell my phone? Where the hell my phone? Hey. How I'm supposed to get home? Where